So let's get into AI. What is AI? Every time I talk, I get this question. So AI, if we think of this big bubble, one of the original definitions is that it's automated, human-like problem solving. This includes machine learning, but it also includes rule-based engines, things that existed kind of a long time in the past. You know, you think about Deep Blue playing chess. Those types of systems would be included in AI, even though they're not necessarily kind of the next subcategory we're going to get into that people are excited about, which is machine learning. So machine learning are methods that are trained kind of directly from data. Within that, there's deep learning. So these are a set of machine learning methods that have become very widespread in the last, say, 10 to 15 years. These are methods that actually can piece parts of a problem together and then use those partial solutions to solve a bigger problem. And these are extremely powerful methods to go kind of straight from data to very high quality predictors. And then finally, there's generative AI, which are methods that are often based on deep learning that can synthesize entirely new content. And up front, it can be really hard to predict the mistakes that AI makes. So this is a really popular example now. And it's one of those where you can see why it's tough, right? Like, there are some of these where I would, be in danger of biting into that and realizing only later it was not a muffin. But this is why it's so important that we think about and approach these things carefully.